I came across this competition by Google. Luckily, I was the regional winner. It drew up, that interest in me for me to say that, hey, I want to try this thing. And that was how I got started, to be honest. I'm proud to say that this was the very first Facebook agency workshop that was held in Nigeria. I have a background in mechanical engineering, and I was very much passionate about mechanical engineering, but learning, it was very traditional. It's out of curiosity, me trying to figure out what really works best. It's not just about personal growth for me, it's also more like how I can influence others to grow.
What advice would you give people starting out in digital marketing?
I would say trust the process and be very determined. So this was when we were still putting the ideas together, and we had, several late night work. The early days of my career, I really paid the dues in terms of time commitment, in terms of dedication and everything. Coming to Cannes this year, it feels like a one-week event can do so much. But yes, imagine the thousands of people, the several tens or hundreds of CMOs or directors that are here or founders that are here. These are the opportunities that we look for all around the world. So bringing everything under one roof, it's mind-blowing. And I'm super grateful that I could experience this at this particular stage of my career.